Minasan konnichiwa, Shauna K. Richards des, Jamaica Taishi des, and I'm excited to cook Jamaican food for you. And one of my favorite dishes is Jamaican curry chicken.
What's up, baby? Boy, today I come out, you know. You mean that? Don't make a sun down inside here. Cool now, baby. God nah sleep.
And today I'm happy to make this wonderful, spicy, flavorful, colorful dish with my chauffeur and sous chef, Burmi Hassan. Now you're wondering, curry, Jamaica? That's probably from India. Well, you will see on my apron, it says, out of many one people. So Jamaica is a melting pot of many peoples, a diverse society. And the Indians came to Jamaica and they have influenced our food. So Jamaicans love, 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 love curry. And it's part of our soul food. So I wanted to share that with you today. Please enjoy. Follow me. We're going to start with the preparatory stages, and I have here some chicken which I already cut up. And in Jamaica we tend to wash the chicken with some lime. So can we show this? So we want it nice and fresh. So I'm just going to put a little lime juice in the water, and here we go. I'm going to wash the chicken a little. Yeah? Nice and fresh. And I love the smell of the lime juice actually. Lime is such a popular in Jamaica for creating that nice fresh smell, and of course. So we drain the chicken. And now we are going to put the ingredients. We'll add some, as I said, scallion. Here we have some ginger and garlic. We're gonna blend that. As soon as we have that, I'll put it, and we're gonna massage, rub in, because we like our food well marinated. And while he's doing that, I'll just add a little salt, of course. Salt and pepper always to enhance taste. Black pepper, I should say. Maybe I can go ahead and cut up some thyme to put in this while you do that. Thyme is one of my favorite herbs, actually. I love the fragrance of thyme. So I'm gonna add a little thyme to the curry chicken. One of the secrets to our curry chicken is the Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper. Now this pepper is a type of habanero. It's a habanero that is spicy, but it's flavorful. And the name comes from the shape of the pepper, which looks like the hat that Scotchmen wear. So that's why we call it Scotch bonnet pepper.
When you try to be someone else, if you jump the train, be sure to know the way. Do not
Just love the smell of this pepper. Of course, depending on how spicy you eat, you would put the amount. I love spicy, so I'm gonna put a little bit more for a kick. Alright? Scotch bonnet pepper is not on the market in Japan, on the mainstream market. But you could substitute this with chili pepper or any type of habanero pepper. So we have blended some scallion, garlic, and ginger. Not just blended, but I'll just chop up some of the scallion and put it in there as well. Okay. And mixing that together. scallion. This is allspice berries, and allspice, as I say, is the secret as well. In addition to Scotch bonnet pepper, allspice is a key ingredient in Jamaican cooking. And now for the main ingredient, the curry. And I am going to mix this together with my hands because I really want it to get nice and soaked in, yeah? And we also add a little sugar just to a little sweetness, so we have the flavors, we have the spice, and of course the sugar. So like Jamaica, sweet, hot, spicy. So I'm gonna put this aside for an hour, and when it's ready, we'll start the second phase, which is cooking this and making it ready for us to enjoy. Finally, make this chicken come alive and ready for our palate, okay? I'm going to heat the pot a little. So let me go ahead and pour some oil in the pot. Get that oil circulating throughout the pot, so when I try to do frying, all the pieces that I put in. So I'm going to do a few pieces first because I have to create enough space for them to be browned nicely. Keep that at medium flame, all right? And so we are doing the browning process, yeah? So look at this. I like this color. Nice and brown. I see Tara. All right. So here we go. And the lovely color of the curry. And now for the final stage on our journey to enjoying Jamaican curry chicken. So as I said, I finished browning the chicken, and now I'm going to add the rest back to the pot because I'm going to then put the water to create the stew phase of this thing. I'm going to add a little water to this. Simmer it down, yeah. There we go. Nice. Some of the marinade that we had, that the chicken was soaking in for the past 1 hour. And of course, nice. Nothing is left behind. Everything is used up nicely. Okay, and I'm gonna let me just put this back higher, a little up the flame, just to get it to come to a boil before I cover the pot and leave it to just simmer down. It's actually Bob Marley's very first song was "Simmer Down, control your temper, simmer down." So curry chicken is gonna simmer down. So I'm going to add some potato. You can cut it in cubes. We cut it in some cubes. Well, put this together. Yeah. And then we lower the flame to low, and we let that simmer for 20 to 30 minutes, and hopefully after that we'll have nice, tasty, tender Jamaican curry chicken. Thank you. I hope that you will take the time to try out this recipe and enjoy one of Jamaican's favorite dishes, curry chicken. Arigatou gozaimashita. So it's time to taste the curry chicken, and I cannot tell you how happy I am to try curry chicken, because it's a dish that I make a lot when I'm feeling down, when I want to like a picker up, as you would say, to cheer myself up. And sometimes, you know, our food plays that role, and curry chicken for me is that. Actually, my great-grandmother came from India, so there's a lot of, in my family, we love curry a lot. And so maybe that's where I get this love for curry. Now I am so happy that it's here, it's ready. And as always, it's smelling good. Wow. Yes, I can conquer the world now. I'm ready to go forward. I'm happy. It's curry chicken, my all-time favorite. I taste the pepper, the Scotch bonnet pepper, and of course the Jamaican curry powder, how we make it with all the various spices blended. Wow. With the rice and peas, wow, this is a winner. Definitely a winner. Oh, you have to try this at home. Promise me that you'll try this one. If nothing else, please try some curry chicken. I know Japanese love curry. Try Jamaican curry.